Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're out in Wesley Chapel and we're starting a two-car garage, and they want the optional baseboards. So what's nice about this, the baseboards are going to flow real nice because it's going to be on top and the sides, and it definitely finishes in the garage really nice. So we have to grind off this cure and seal, which is on here pretty thick, as you can see. We're going to clean out these expansion joints and fill them so that we get a seamless surface. We have some details to do around the hot water heater here, but not too bad. Again, we're going to clean this all up, the edges, as we go up the wall. This lead and edge is in pretty good shape. Really just going to have to clean it up. Round it over a bit. Just get rid of this loose material. We should be pretty good. It is quite hot today. So let's get started. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up. Job looks amazing. This is our two-car with baseboards. This has the expansion joints filled for that seamless look. In combination with the baseboards really finishes things in nice. Here's some detail in around the hot water heater. This color is California gray. So this is a polyaspartic top coat, which is UV stable. It's hard as nails, goes down very thin, but it doesn't matter, it just retains its strength. Scratch resistant, chemical oil resistant. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.